to a connection that Jen had, we were given the rare opportunity to investigate the Latch. Now it's a restaurant and boutique hotel located in Sidney, British Columbia, Canada. We started the investigation about mid-evening with the team, and the night did not disappoint. Andrea and Jen were able to spend the entire night there, setting up static cameras to see what else they could capture. This location is said to be one of the most haunted sites in Sydney, and well, I think we'd all tend to agree. Formerly the vacation home of the Lieutenant Governors of Canada, Walter C. Nicol had the home built in 1925. The home had a reputation for hosting lavish parties of the rich and the utmost famous. This was largely due to the beautiful surroundings and very peaceful setting. The most common sighting here is believed to be Lady Byng. Lady Byng, Marie Evelyn Morton, was the wife of Viscount Byng, who was Governor General between 1921 and 1926. And if you're a hockey fan, you've probably heard of the Lady Byng Memorial Trophy, as she was an avid fan of the sport. Lady Byng loved this property so much and is still believed to reside there for that reason. She was known for keeping this home in the utmost order and was very meticulous. Some of the ghost stories that we've been told about her would suggest that she was that way. And it's also something that we learned later on that night.
Hello. Hi. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Andrea. And we're going to finish exploring the rest of the home here.
Did you say 44 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
14.
And the battery's almost dead, and I charged the little battery all day. So something's drawing the energy here.
Mm-hmm.
Unfair.
13 minutes.
Unfair.
Maybe it needs to be darker.
Oh, or closer. There you go. Touch.
Unfair and touch. If you can touch the K2, and it'll light up.
Alright.
Andrea, did you fully smooth the bed?
Yep.
Or did you just pick something up off of it?
Oh,
Was something picked up off of it right here?
I did pick something.
Right here there was something, right?
No, I picked it, I had the key to it.
hold on. And I just was recording this and I can see the bump a little bit on here. So if we rewound this.
Okay, let's just leave this and nothing else, and then we've got a smooth bed. It says pontoon.
I don't remember.
Well, now we'll make note. The bed is perfectly smooth. It is 10:27 p.m.
I'm just gonna let it record.
Keep it going.
Yeah.
Bar. I think we need to go to the bar.
Okay. Oh yeah. There's a little door that goes into the stairs here. If anybody is brave enough to open it. Okay.
Jogged. pianist.
I was really disorientated there for a second. Oh, Doll's my favorite. They're not my favorite.
Do you see him? Supper.
Sorry. This is something I do not enjoy doing.
Hmm.
I'm not really feeling anything off the stall, fortunately.
Mm-hmm.
We could sit at the table and
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, sit beside you. I don't really want my back to
I
the
know.
Here, you guys can sit on this side too.
Okay, that's much better.
Poor Andrea gets like the worst jobs and seats, and she has to open all the doors, and
It's alright.
you even moved over to the bed after. All right.
I think it's gonna have to.
Oh, look at that! Evie. Oh, hello.
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 Move something that's over here.
Yeah. Thank you for coming to speak with us. We feel you. Spun. I got shivers.
Me too.
Each of us are going to, and the battery's almost dead. Shoot. Could you light it up to the red, please, if you're female?
All the way to the red, you're so close. Box.
Could you light all of them up if you're male?
I wonder if it wants the ghost box. It says box. Smock.
Could you light all the lights up if you would like us to get that device again that you could speak directly through? The one that we were using upstairs that was like a radio?
All the way to the red.
Could you light it up again, please, if you're still here? Well, we really appreciate that you were lighting it up before. Could you please do it again? You can pick the colors that you want to light it up to, or even just come near.
The obelisk says plan.
Plan. Well, I guess we did ask you to draw us to a room that you wanted us to come to, so thank you. Oh, look, it's lighting up.
Found.
We found. You did find the room. Why did you want to bring us to this room? Could you light up the lights? Were you trying to keep us out of the bedroom upstairs? Could you light the lights up if that would be a yes? Could you light the lights up, please, if there's something in this room you'd like us to know about? Could you please light the lights up if, is this a room that you spend a lot of time in? It's super cold on my left side. Could you light the lights up on the machine right in front of me if you're really close to me right now? Just to verify that you are.
Bog.
Silly.
Are you playing games with us?
I think they think that this is silly, these devices, perhaps.
I can understand why you'd see that. It's probably
Foreign.
very different than what was in your time. It's really cold here.
It's what?
That felt like there's like a cold, almost like body form here.
Oh.
And it's gone.
Is someone there? Well, it sounded like that's what it sounded like.
Yeah.
To me, yeah.
Flesh.
Indoors.
It said flesh and then indoors.
I don't understand why this isn't working. It's got brand new batteries.
Library. Andrea.
Library.
Yes, we are in your library right now.
Focus on it.
I think if you get close. There we go.
And as you can see,
Star.
we're in the library. Oh. I really hope one of you saw that.
No, what?
Okay, all the books right in front of that chair there went super dark. Like almost like something like about no taller than that top, like from here down, got really dark. I just caught eye of it when it was like going like this, and then it just disappeared.
Nope, I did not catch that.
That looks like an imprint of somebody sitting there.
It totally does.
That wasn't there before, and none of us have sat
No.
on it.
No. It kind of looks like it's moving.
Oh yeah, you can see it on the camera.
Moving?
Yeah. I think, anyways. Could somebody pass me the K2, please? Thanks. Is that you sitting on the bed right now?
Are you just sitting with us, enjoying the company?
I'm just gonna straighten the bed out again, but if that is you sitting on the bed, we invite you to sit again. Would you mind coming and sitting next to me, next to where that green light is?
I'm looking at this one, it's like I can't hear if there's like footsteps.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, if we don't get... oh, sorry. Is the response, sorry. Lady Bing, are you with us right now?
Oh. The battery's almost dead, and I just fully charged this. We should have at least another hour and a half on the...
Never. Sorry and then never. Do you want to look in the closet? Yeah.
Oh, sure. Why not?
Obelisk says battle. Battle.
It's funny, there's some light in here. It's pitch black up here. Oh, I just saw something.
What'd you see?
Looked like a hand.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry. Try not to shine it in your face.
Oh, goodness. I don't even know how we're gonna get up here. It's just wires and... Okay. K2 action off the wiring. Maybe a little bit of the greens coming up. So I'm getting one light. Okay, that's just pipe, so I'm putting that by there. Okay, let's try the eye obelisk. Cap. I know that you've been making yourself present on and off, and we were hoping that maybe you'd want to come talk to us. We were just curious as to who you are, and I mean, it's a beautiful home. I'm wondering if this was your home at one point. Is there any way you could let us know if you're here? Maybe perhaps by knocking on something, or the device. I'm touching my left hand here that has a green light on it. It won't hurt you. It's just, there's 5 lights and it always stays on the green. You can manipulate it to go up to the red or any other color, or you can even just come near it and it'll flash just so we know that you're here. So just to show that we're not being chicken, it's just pretty much... Well, that was interesting. Wonder if I pick that up. There's a something over there. Not sure if it's dust. Oh, there goes my balance. Anyways, as you can see, this is really challenging for us to get up anywhere here in the attic, and all the insulation and no sure footing.
This camera picked up 2 dust particles going into the attic, though, not coming. Yeah, just at 28:36, I think it was.
I do feel perhaps
I'm sorry, I can't take the camera.
it's okay.
What do you feel, Andrew?
I don't really feel alone up here.
If someone's here with us right now, can you make a noise so that we know that you're here? Tap on the wall, footsteps, a voice like we heard earlier.
There's something in this far corner. I don't know, I'm drawn to that fireplace, so I don't really think the camera's picking it up because it's...
I just got a big gust of cold on my arm. Both arms. What was the name you said? Joffrey?
Joffrey, like Jeffrey, but...
Forgot. As soon as you said that, forgot came up and nothing else had come up on this thing.
Oh, you said you forgot?
I said I forgot about this, and then it said forgot. Now it says crick. So it should be crick.
Crick.
Friggin' water pipe right there to your left.
Cloak teacher. Oops. And then make.
My legs are getting a little bit weird on this.
Money.
Money?
Well, maybe we will quit bothering you up in this room for now. And if you'd like, we're going to be staying in this house for the rest of the evening. And if you want to come talk to us in another room, that would be great. And if you are trying to communicate with us now, thank you very much. We do appreciate it. And that's our room. Alright, we're almost sweet. I thought we turned the lights off.
I thought we did too.
I actually remember turning the lights off. I made a point of doing that.
Okay.
That's interesting.
Do you want to keep hold of the flashlight beside it too?
Did we not get Nick come up in this room?
Oh, we did.
Is there anybody in the room aside from me and Jen? Hot.
I'm finding it quite cold in here.
Yeah, we are. We're finding it very cold in here. Why are you hot? Have we spoke with you earlier tonight? You getting anything in here?
I'm just trying to be intuitive and feel. I just want to introduce myself. My name's Jennifer. And this is Andrea. And we just want to... Jane. Bay. We want to introduce ourselves and would love to connect with you and communicate with you if you have a message that you'd like to share with us.
My name's Andrea. The name that just came up, Jane, is that your name? If so, could you make this device say yes, please, or no? Or the device that Jennifer's holding in her hand, could you make that move? If you prefer us to talk to you through that device.
If you come near this device and touch it, or just come near it, the lights will change. Green to yellow, orange to red. If you're here with us right now, can you please confirm that with a sound? It says insulted, Andrea.
How did we insult you, or what would you like us not to do? My rifle's going now.
Mm-hmm. Mark, oh, we got some EVP. Went to orange.